Chaser gang. Boom. Hey man, you already know who it is. Your girl Dream Chasing Geo. Back with another banger. Hey, today banger gonna be different. I'm gonna do a little vlog of my, I can't even say daily life because I work so much. However, I'm gonna do a vlog for y'all. What I'm gonna do today, man. Hey, I got some good stuff coming though. A lot of things coming in store for me, man. For real, it feel good out here. As y'all know, I am in Houston. Right now, though, gang, I'm about to check the mail. I think I got a package in the mail. So let me go ahead and get that out. Oh, yeah. Okay. Got something from Barbara Strong, man. About to go ahead and open this thing. See what we got going. But check out the drip for today, man. Man, what? Okay. New barber jacket. All right. Go ahead and open it. Hopefully it fit, man. Hopefully it fit, because I've been eating too good, man. Too good. What's this, though? What's this? It's dope. Ooh. All right. Appreciate that, Barbara Strong. Appreciate that. Got a little discount card on here, man. But let me go ahead and try this jacket on, man. Oh, yeah, we in there, baby. We in there like somewhere. You see the Barbara Strong logo. And, man, it's comfortable. It ain't hot. It got a million pockets on this thing, though. Hey, appreciate that, Barbara Strong. For real, for real. And so, as you can see, I'm standing right here in front of my toolbox, man, with my tools in it. And I'm not talking about mechanical tools. I'm talking about getting down to the nitty-gritty barber tools, you know what I'm saying? Today, I'm going to the school. Got my backpack right here. But today I'm going to the school, gang. So I got to go ahead and move this stuff into my bag, man. For real. Let me show y'all. I'm saying Louis V right here. Got chargers. Got my gun right there. No, I'm not talking about that gun. Enhancement gun. Chill out. Got some cases. Guys, I got to change my case on my Ergos. I'm so upset. My green case is cracked, but hey, I got a new idea. I got a new game plan. I'm saying, got all these right here, you know what I'm saying? Combs, okay. Shout out to level 3, man. This thing pressure for real. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Let me go ahead and transfer this, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Gang, let me know if y'all feeling these. These are my barber cards. Well, my second set, I had a first set, ran out. But these are my new ones, man. I'm feeling them for real. For real. You see, got the little October, November effect on them. You know, the orange going. I'm definitely feeling that. If you're not, follow me on Instagram at Dream Cuts. It got an underscore after cuts. But, yeah, let me go up in this store, get my necessities before I hit the road. Okay, I'll take that. Got my 20 back. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. That thing look good from the back. Look all wide but no wide body. But I do got the Gianellis, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what's going on. I guess it rained or something. I don't know. Ooh, big Chase Geo, man. Hey, shout out to my coworker. That's dope, man. But boy looked out for me. That's live. People be like really underestimating the RT game, boy. They be underestimating, you know. But it's cool. We know what we can do. You know what I'm saying? We know what we can do. Hey, y'all, if y'all have not listened to that new Meek, you gotta check out that new Meek. Those that know me, I'm a big Meek fan for real. Since day one, man. I've been rocking with my boy Meek. But that's all I've been jamming since he dropped his little album out, man. Expensive Pain, boy. It's so hard. That's pressure for real. That's that name right there, pressure by itself. Man, stop playing with me, man. Stop it. Alright. So I'm finally here, man. Y'all TJ, man, the coldest teacher in the game, as you can see. My boy ain't leave working.
That's how I got that heat. Let's go.
Alright, y'all. I'm feeling it. Damn, man. Tell them what's up, Missy.
What's up, y'all? Missy the barber. Check it out.
She don't like talking, y'all.
She do. It's y'all, the one and only Chuck by Lee. Fresh with the fades. Keep the good grades. Ladies.
You got a YouTube?
Yeah, Chuck by Lee, man.
Alright, y'all heard him. I'm gonna drop the link in the description.
When that's boy Asia, you know what I'm saying? The upcoming barber.
Okay.
Only one. Yeah, the best, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, man, they goofy, y'all. This how it look, man. Telling y'all better come get a chop. Alright, gang, as you can see, I did get me a cut, man. I got me a cut in there, man. Whew. I was just about to leave, and the walk-in came through, so got me a cut down. Hope y'all like it, you know what I'm saying? If y'all got any suggestions, let me know. Holler at me. I'm always open ears, man. Open ears. I'm open to learning new things, for real, for real. But I'm about to pack up my stuff, so I'm gonna get back to you. Alright, guys, so now I got another stop to make. I gotta go drop off my floor mat to get the protection put back on it, a little plastic cover or whatever. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. That's a good investment. Keep your mats protected, you know what I'm saying? Looking brand new. You know me, I like that. So I gotta have it protected, man. Let's see if I can get some action up under this freeway. Okay. Went through a big rain cloud, man. Right now I'm heading to the store. Gotta get do a little shopping, you know what I'm saying? But that might complete my day. I am in the slow lane. I don't even know why. I have to go around now. I got stuff to do, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I do appreciate y'all for checking the channel out, man. I got more content coming. I got lucky today, y'all. I got lucky today. You know, I got a little something with the Clippers, man. The grind don't stop, man. I gotta keep practicing. I need to build my clientele. Like, I got big dreams, for real, y'all. I got big dreams. Y'all got big dreams, man. Chase them. Chase them. Don't let nobody stop you, for real. It's not worth it, man. We only live once, you know what I'm saying? We gotta grind and go up from here, man. That's all we doing, man. We got 2 more months left. And this year over with, you know what I'm saying? Make some goals for the next 2 months. Yes, I know. Y'all probably like, why she got on the black shirt? Because I changed my shirt, man. I changed my shirt. But yeah, y'all, chase y'all dreams, bro. For real. Chase y'all dreams. Don't let nobody or nothing stop you from what you trying to do and who you trying to become. For real, we dream chasers, baby. And we going up, man. We got 2 more months left of 2021, y'all. 2 more months. Make sure y'all grind. You know what I'm saying? Grind. Go out 2021 with a bang. We going in 2022 on some hot shit. You know what I'm saying? On some real shit. On some turned up type. You know what I'm saying? We got to, man. It's only right, man. This year been crazy. The past couple years been crazy. This traffic is crazy. But yeah, chase y'all dreams, for real, gang. Don't let nobody, nothing stop you from what you trying to do and who you trying to become, for real. We dream chasers, baby. Big chasers. You know what I'm saying? Big chaser status, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through, checking out another bang. Chase your dreams. Don't let nobody, nothing stop you from what you trying to do or who you trying to become. We dream chasers, for real. We going up all 2021, the rest of 2021, all 2022. It's major. Big moves, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, with that being said, your girl dream chasing Gio is.
I'm chasing dreams, 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 I'm chasing dreams.